Hello, once again, YouTube.
Once again, it's like a
Or, as in, yeah, that's just a good point. This is our first video.
No, Charles, come on. Charles.
This is our first video.
Yeah, come on.
We are Piano
Face 1.
Piano Face 1, apparently, even though we didn't make up that name. And this is our first ever video on YouTube. And put in a comment or a video response, whatever you guys do. And tell us what we should do on YouTube.
I know. Because what's going to happen is we're going to become fucking famous, yeah? We're going to be like, you know, the next Sneezing Panda or some shit.
That was so well played.
That was some good improvisation.
Yeah, that was quite good. Yeah, I actually felt, yeah. Okay.
You know, we should have recorded like that thing when we were watching Insidious and you go, oh shit, the mirror! You go, oh shit!
No,
You bastard. It's not gonna work this time.
We have some good news for you YouTube people. If you are too lazy to go into a new tab on your Internet Explorer, just search for naked or boob or bosom
like,
or boob or any other word.
Ass or vagina.
Or ass or vagina. And I think you probably know all the names for those awesome things.
Or a cock, you know, if you're gay.
No, I mean, well, okay, I don't want to, but no. So, you search for it, and then on the thing on the top right it says relevance.
Relevance. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, you just click on that, and then you change it to by date. You know, the most date. You know, the most recent. You go on the most recent.
Upload date.
Yeah, on the upload date. You go on that, and they won't be flagged yet. So you can watch porn and shit. It's pretty good.
Can you pass a glass?
Or not. Or yes, or maybe no. I don't know. Actually, it's good.
Cheers, man.
Dude, what are you doing?
I don't know. I was talking to the audience, to our new audience. Yeah, and also we need to think up a cool like an outro thing to do.
Like no.
Yeah, that could be it.
What?
A fish is in a shoe, when a shoe, boop, 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 boop.